Hi guys, just jumping back on here to give you chapter 9, the last section, which is 9.11, which is found in 9c. So, mining and dominion. God gave us minerals and ores to supply man's need both before and after the flood. He even declared to the Israelites that the minerals in the hills of Canaan would be one of the gifts that they could look forward to when they possessed the land. But we actually have to work for them. And by working for them, that means we're having to dig them out of the ground or use some other method to separate the mineral from the earth materials. The most common method is mining or opening a hole in the ground to get the mineral. The harder it is to obtain, the more precious it's going to be. Buried by the flood or formed from the tectonic process, minerals are being mined out today. And we're going to go through the ways that they're getting them out. So to reach the resources, companies are deep mining, and this involves a vertical mine shaft and then tunneling sideways to follow the veins of the minerals. And that's what that one picture was for. They mined straight down and then they tunneled over for it. The deepest mine in the world is Tatanga Gold Mine in South Africa. So it's located, again, I just said, in South Africa. And the mine goes miles under the Earth's surface into depths ranging like 2.14 miles down. So in 2008, the company added a secondary shaft, which means they got two of them running down and almost 2.5 miles underground. So you're going to be watching a little video about that in a little bit. Just click on the link and watch this. It's very interesting to see like actually how they're doing it. You would never know by looking on the ground like what it looked that they were doing all that underneath. Also, another type of mining is a coal strip mine. And if we go here, we can see in Germany. We're going to look here. So here's what they're doing right here is the coal mine that they're mining out there with the strips. And you can kind of see the strips there. And you can see like their system like with the coal on top of it too. Sorry, get me back to where we were. Okay, and then the other one is the Kennecott open pit copper mines, and that's located in Utah. And I'll let you just click the link later instead of taking you there right now. So it's an open pit copper mine. So different types of mining include the deep mining, which we talked about, and then also our surface mining as well as our strip mining. So here's surface, and then you can see strip. And then also dredging or panning for gold. So if you've ever been like on vacation and it's like located near a river, you might have like panned for gold before. So you were actually doing some mining that goes along with this chapter. Mining is necessary for providing raw materials, but also very destructive to the environment and especially dangerous to the miners. Strip mines are drastically change the Earth's surface, such as like forests, watersheds, wildlife, and even people. Mining is one way to exercise dominion over God's creation, but we must be careful to maximize its benefits while minimizing the risk. And that is the end of it. You will be reading a section on trapped underground where it's talking about the miners that did get trapped underground. It's pretty interesting and to see like actually really how dangerous this is. So if you have any questions, make sure to send me your questions on a reminder, email me. All right, guys, talk to you later.